back, my friends, and happy Thursday. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another non-phone work from home job lead. We will not waste any time. We will just dive on in today. Just know the links to everything I share are in the YouTube description box below if you want to get those applications in. I know for a lot of us, we are wanting non-phone work. However, sometimes our experience and skills is in the customer service field. So it is great when we find positions that we can shine our customer service skills, but not actually have to be talking verbally on the phone. We can use written word instead, and that is what we have today. The company User Interviews is hiring a support specialist to handle their ticketing system. This is the remote within the United States. But as a support specialist, you'll answer all support questions that come through their ticketing system. Those include topics such as how to use their product, how to participate in the user interviews, how to locate participant incentive payments, research study participation issues, etc. You'll be the expert in the user experience and be able to identify where the gaps are in that experience, and then you'll probably escalate those to management. So you'll manage all the support tickets, you'll collaborate with project coordinators on escalated support issues, you'll track insights, feedback, all of those things. You'll own and develop processes for customer satisfaction. You'll manage their incentive payments, manage account reviews, help and keep our participants and research base healthy, and you'll assist with live chat support when necessary. Now, this is Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., so it is a daytime role. They are looking for someone who's a self-starter, has a positive attitude, a team player, likes to help people, someone who has empathy for users and wants to go above and beyond to help them, someone who is organized, thoughtful, and enjoys problem solving. If that is you, they do want someone who has 1 year experience in a customer-facing role, experience providing support in a written format, email, live chat, etc., or some kind of experience with customer support ticketing and chat like Zendesk, someone who is a problem solver, and they prefer a bachelor degree, but it states right there it is not required. Now, it says they offer a competitive base salary, although they don't list what that salary is. They do provide quite a few benefits above and beyond the basics. They provide you $250 for office setup stipend to get your home office set up in addition to computer provided, so they provide all computer equipment for you. They also give you $500 a year to continue learning and developing yourself, and every month they give you $50 work from home stipend, so you can use that to pay your internet. So your computer's provided, they give you money to pay your internet. What is better than that? All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.